What's up guys, Techie Tech Guy here. Samsung has therefore had great success with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The S22 Ultra is expected to sell approximately 11 million units this year, making it the most popular Galaxy Note product in the last 5 years. It's incredibly awesome to see Samsung returning to its 2017 totals considering how much the smartphone market has changed over the past few years, with the industry as a whole experiencing slowing growth. Of course, there are a number of explanations for why Samsung is experiencing high demand. Since they didn't release the Note phone in 2021, the increased demand was undoubtedly a factor in the higher sales. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 are the company's foldable smartphones that will take the place of the Note phone in the second half of the year. Many questioned this choice, arguing that since foldables still represent a small portion of the overall smartphone industry, dropping the Note name to make room for foldables wasn't a good idea. It seems the new foldables are once again proving the statement wrong. The new foldables are not only proving to be a huge success, but they are also shattering all pre-order records, at least in one important market, according to some pre-order sales data. Between August 16 and 22, South Korea saw a combined total of 970,000 pre-orders for the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, with an average daily sales rate of 138,000 units. Over the course of 8 days following launch, the entire Galaxy S22 lineup averaged 127,000 pre-orders per day, falling short of the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. Samsung recently predicted that by 2025, sales of foldables will outpace those of the Galaxy S series. Many of us had our doubts at the time, but after seeing these pre-order figures, we now believe it may happen even before 2025. Real sales differ from pre-order sales, of course. It will be fascinating to see how the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 fare over the long term, given that the S22 Ultra maintained its sales pace even after the pre-order period. However, according to reports, Samsung has set a goal of 15 million foldable phone shipments for the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. While this is still not enough to unseat the S22 series, which is expected to sell between 30 and 40 million units, it is more than the Note 20, which only sold 10 million units, so if Samsung achieves this, it will be a significant accomplishment. In any case, it appears that foldables are gaining popularity, and it's the right time that Samsung makes them the mainstay of its smartphone lineup. As always, state your remarks in the comment section below and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.